What's going on, guys? Welcome to my first POV. This is my 2022 G80 M3 in Brooklyn gray metallic. Has a competition package, carbon buckets, and let me just show it to you really quickly. There it is right there. There's the buckets, completely stocked. But right now we're outside of UFT and there's a random alleyway. Has really nice lighting for some pictures. Now, this exhaust is pretty quiet. I'm gonna use the DJI Nano for the POV drive. Let me just turn this thing on. Look at the top camera on. And I'm gonna put this on the back of my car so you guys can actually hear the thing. All right, let me give you guys a startup with the valves open. Still sounds pretty good. I'll give it a rev. Now I'm trying to get this mic to set up, but let's get going. I have to get some gas first. We are really low, but I'm gonna switch to this camera so I'm not holding a phone while I'm driving. All right, everything is good to go. We got both the cameras set up. It is currently 11 p.m. right now. I'm just gonna put this right here so I can see the audio levels. I'm gonna give it a rev. You guys can hear that. First thing I need to do is get a bit of gas. I am at 181. Let's get going. Got to put into M mode. Now let's find a gas station. Let's find a gas station. All right, let's go. Honestly, I think we'll be good without gas. We have what, 181 kilometers? We're not gonna be driving any crazy, but I drove down here like 2 minutes ago before I found this spot to film. I'll let you guys see what I saw. It's not anything crazy. You kind of see these everywhere, but where is it? Don't tell me you left. Don't tell me. All right, I saw an M3 here. All right, but wait, dude. As soon as I pulled up, I think I heard it earlier too, but we are around UFT. There's a lot of crazy cars here. Where is it? Bro, don't tell me both of them left. Why is it always when you don't film something? Hold up. Bro, you can't make this up. You actually can't make this up. I think I still see it. Unless that's the other car I saw. Let's see it. Oh, all right, it's gone. So basically, I saw two M4s just here. There's a Miata. I didn't really want to see the Miata. I want to see the M4s. But oh well. Now, mods-wise, this car is completely stock. I kind of have like two things that I want to get done to this car. First is an oil cooler guard, because as you know, the oil cooler is exposed right at the bottom, so if you hit a rock or something hits it, your engine is cooked. Yeah, I find that the stock stance is kind of that's with most cars, honestly, but they're always like tucked in. Who's this guy behind me? Dude, Toronto drivers or something else. But yeah, the stock stance, it's a little tucked in, so I do want to get spacers. I'm pretty sure it's 15 in the front, 12 in the back. And the spacers aren't too expensive. It's like, I think 250 bucks. So yeah, I want to get spacers. I want to get a oil cooler guard, and I don't like my car super loud. Let's put the directions in for this gas station. I'm kind of scared what the price is going to be, but we're gonna see. But I also want to get mid pipes. I'm not sure what brand I want to go for the mid pipes. I know Valvetronic actually dropped a new one recently. I think it's the Valvetronic V2 or whatever, and it sounds really nice, but it's also paired with down pipes. Now, I'm not gonna get down pipes for this car. I have a warranty on this thing still for another, I think, 2 or 3 years, so getting a down pipe would just void the warranty. So I have to go everything from the cat to the back. And if you're watching and you have an M car, follow me on Instagram. I would like to, you know what I mean, have like a nice cruise with a couple M cars. I think that'd be pretty fun. I'll go right. All right. I just need some gas, man. One thing I love about Toronto, man, is the view is so beautiful. Even if you're just cruising, look at this. Bro, you can't get enough of this. This is so sick. I want to go on the Gardner. Gardner is always fun to drive on. I don't want to do too much yet, but I know you guys just like to drive. But yeah, if you have a cool car, hit me up on Instagram. If you happen to have an 812 super fast, hit me up on Instagram. That's my dream car. If you're in Toronto and have an 812, hey man, or any cool car, you know what I mean? Do a cool little job. Oh yeah, that'd be fun. There's police right there. I haven't had a bad experience with Toronto police yet. They seem very respectful. I don't want to jinx it though. Please, I don't want to jinx it. Now we do have to stop by the Rogers Center. I want to get a picture of my car in the front. Yeah, but dude, these bucket seats, people really over-exaggerate how uncomfortable these seats are. I've driven like what, 8 hours in them. That's not that bad. That's really not that bad. I think it depends on like your body type as well. Because I have skinny friends that where it hurts their back and stuff like that. But me personally, it's not that bad. This light's taking a sweet time. Like, what's going on? Bro, oh, this is a turning lane. Bro, I feel like some mid pipes will just wake this thing up just a little bit more, and that'll sound crazy. Look at that view. I'm kind of scared to see what that gas price is gonna be. I'm not gonna lie. This there's a Ritz-Carlton. Bro, these roads are, man, dude, I'm trying to avoid these potholes, man. There's another one, bro. It's like, there's another one. All right, here's a moment of truth. What is the gas price gonna be for 91? I'm gonna guess it's over $2 because we're in Toronto. What is that, a Volkswagen Arteon or whatever it's called? There it is. All right, let's see what it's gonna be. Prediction. Yeah, 202. All right, whatever, let's put some gas in here. All right, we're all up on gas. Now, how am I gonna get onto this side? We'll have to figure that out. We'll see. I think everyone's here is turning left. Oh, can I? I'm tripping. All right, let's go. I gotta turn my ringer off. Rogers Center is right here. Yeah, bro, let's test out the same idea, bro. These potholes are roots. Man. All right, this way it is. There's the Rogers Center. Dude, I would, you know, I mean, give it a little sauce, but these bumps are just so bad right now. I literally can't. But once I get on the Gardner and have like a little opening, I'm gonna give it a little bit. I'm trying to figure out where Union Station is. I think Union is a little bit to the left, right? Ooh, was that Integra? I think it's an Integra, yeah? That thing is nice. I gotta hear that. I gotta hear that Integra. I think that's an Integra, right? Am I stupid or what? I'm pretty sure that's an Integra. So I gotta turn left at the next light. Sorry, bet. Is that another M3 up there? I see a 3 Series. I don't know if it's an M though. Do it one time, run a tunnel. You know what? I think this way we should be able to go on there. we got a tunnel here. This is gonna be a first gear pull. It's not even gonna be anything crazy, but it's all good. There you go, that's all I'm getting. Bro, this car is so fun to drive. Now I gotta figure out how to get onto this thing. Okay, I see the ramp right there. Where am I going? I almost just went in touch. We gotta turn right. I don't know where I'm going, guys, honestly. I'm just trying to get onto that stupid ramp. The Don Valley is such a fun road when it's not backed up by traffic. But before I do that, I should probably take the microphone off my thing. But yeah, we'll leave it on. Worst case, it just dies. I would just turn it off. All right, let's turn this thing off. And I think if I want to get onto the Expressway, it's just right here. Somewhere here. I think I see it. There it is, Toronto. Hopefully you guys like the POV drive. I'm kind of just like testing things out. I have the microphone in the back. I have this one right here. I'm gonna like try and mess around with it and see how it sounds. All right, let's get on the Gardner. Let's go in the Don Valley. Empty right now. And one thing about this road too is, man, it is not paved well at all.